Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you trending Pinterest pins recreated with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This season, we are taking requests from our customers where you can submit a request of what kind of install you want us to recreate, whether it be a table, a ceremony backdrop, a photo backdrop, etc. So this week we chose Amber's Intimate Tropical Tablescape with the Gemma Collection, and I think it turned out really great.
Yes, her budget was $1,500 and we were able to do this tablescape for under $200. So we calculated it and she could get about 7 tables for under $1,500.
Yes, total steal.
Yeah, that's just,
yeah,
and it gives the tropical feel with the palm leaves, and we just really love how it turned out.
Here's her inspo. Alright, now we can show you or tell you what products we used.
So we used 2 of our large Gemma centerpieces, 3 of our solitaire candlestick sets, and 4 of our Gemma aisle markers, 4 of our beige palm leaves, and it's the mini version?
Yes, the mini size.
And then 4 of our green palm leaves, the mini size as well. And no zip ties or wire cutters were required.
This is so easy, especially for a destination wedding and you're like, you might be traveling with them. It's super easy, no fuss, no really like install setup, just place.
Yes, exactly.
All right, well now I guess
let's get into it.
A large centerpiece on each side of the table.
Yes. That. And then we're gonna make our famous aisle marker clusters.
So we're gonna walk you through an aisle marker cluster. So you're gonna want to hide this ribbon that it comes with around the center of the aisle
Marker.
What did I say?
Around the center of the aisle.
Aisle marker. Around the center of the aisle marker. You want to do that with all of your aisle markers.
Yes. Today we are only using 2 aisle markers per cluster, but you can add as many as you want to make it as full as you want. Just keep zip tying them together. Since they are sitting on a table, we aren't going to zip tie them today, but usually if we're putting them on a sign or any other place, we do zip tie them just to secure them.
Yeah. The other day I made an aisle marker cluster with like 6 aisle markers and 3 posies.
Yeah.
And it was really cool.
So yeah, you can really get creative if you want to.
Okay, so once your ribbon is wrapped around the center of the aisle marker, you're just gonna nestle them into each other. And you're gonna want like the front and the back to be on opposite sides, so you're just gonna like flip them, if that makes sense.
So like each wire will be on opposite sides.
Yeah. And we're gonna just place them in the center. For the table. And they just lay really nicely. Okay, so we have 2 larges and 4 aisle markers that make 2 clusters.
Yes. Now we're gonna add our candles, and then we'll finish it off with some loose stems.
Solitaire candlesticks, set of 2, gold finish.
A lot of our candles do have different heights, so if you wanted a little bit more dimension throughout the table, you could definitely choose either a classic candlestick or a signature candlestick to give you a little bit more height.
Or tulip. The tulip
oh yeah,
ones
the
are
tulip
good too.
ones are really good too.
I like the solitaire though.
I
A lot
do.
of people rent solitaire.
I honestly, I think it's my favorite. Okay.
nestle them into the cluster. Okay, so we did 3 sets of those.
Honestly, if you wanted to leave it like this, you totally can. But like we said before, this customer wanted a more tropical feel, so we are adding our palm leaves.
Yeah, this is a loose stem. We have them, this is the mini version. We have them in a larger version, but it's a beige, like bleached palm leaf, and then a green one. This is a loose stem, and it only comes in one. It's not a bundle like our other ones. And you can cut this how you like, because it's yours to keep. But we're just gonna stick them in.
Stick them in.
And the stems are wire based, so you can bend them to get the look you want. I don't know how this looks from the front.
I know. Oh, that looks cute. Maybe
2.
Well, I like how yours is different than mine.
Okay.
I think
Does mine kind of look like ears?
a little. If you move that one lower, yeah, maybe a little more in. Yeah,
Better?
I kind of like it like that.
Do you like this?
Yeah, I do. So, something else that you can do, just for more of like a tabletop detail, is lay the palm leaves underneath the aisle markers to give it a little bit texture. Ooh, that's nice.
I don't need it. Okay.
Cute.
Is that
That's it. Yeah.
This is really pretty. Alright, and there you have it, an intimate tropical tablescape with the Gemma Collection. This was super easy to do. We probably did it in like 10 minutes.
Yes.
Very easy, stress-free tablescape design. And just a reminder, if this is our new way of doing our how-to series, so if you want to submit a request for us to potentially pick to recreate, submit a request in the description below and your install might be picked.
Yes. So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next time.
Bye.